Hi, my name is Carol Zirkle. Today I am doing a short video on how to make a page using Descript. Now, what are pages? Well, if you're on your drive view, if you go to home, you're going to see all of your projects. When you get done with your projects, you're going to have the option to export those projects. One of the options is called pages. So we go back to pages. So you can see home brings you to your projects, and pages shows what you've published as a page. And a page is basically a snapshot in time of your project. So when you think it's really done, you can do a page. Now, if I open it up, what it does is it shows me my video. It also shows me my transcript. So it looks really nice and neat. If you don't want to see the transcript, you can just hide it. It's stored right on your Descript drive. You can make a link of it, and there is an embed function too. So you can send it to someone else, or you can put it right on your website if you're doing blogs and such. So how do you do that? The first thing you're going to do is you're going to find your project, and I just finished one. So I'm going to this guy. And as you can see, my text is all filled with goofy blue and all that other stuff. And so it's not easy to transport that to someone else. To make a page, you either go to Publish and Export, which has all your export options, or you can go way up to the top and do Share. It's basically the same thing. The very first one at the top is called Page. Now, it's taking the name. I can leave the name. That's fine. It gives you access options. So I'm going to make it public. You can allow people to make comments if you want, and I'm not going to do that. And so they're actually making comments on Descript, not on your site or anything. So I'm going to show the transcript, yes, and I'm going to publish it. It takes a minute. Now I have the link. If you want to make a link for somebody, you can look at it in your browser, or you can embed the code if you want to put it in your website. So that is what we want to do. I've started a little post for this. I'll add a thumbnail here. I have remembered to do that for it to work right on my site. And all I have to do is go to my text page and paste the embed code. So then I go back to visual. You can add text. You can add all sorts of things to it. I'm not going to do that right now, and I'm going to hit publish. Now, while that's publishing, I'm going to go back here and show you that if you go back to the drive view and you go to pages, it shows up here. So I go to my site and refresh it, and there it is. And when I go into it, this is my image. This is my Descript. So I hope that was interesting for you. If you have questions, you can let me know. If you want me to show you some other things on Descript, I can do my best. If you want to check out Descript, which is an excellent editing tool, especially strong in the audio side, I have an affiliate link below on my listing. So thank you very much.